Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut we'll be looking at shadow layers and a contour cut. Just a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got quite a variety of different videos we do cover, and also we upload daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, now to locate the shadow layers, we'll be under effects. And this is nice if you want to create like a border around your graphics or something in that line. So in any case, so make sure your shape or your text is selected. Then we go to effects, navigate down. So we find shadow layer, contour cut. And from its options that pops up, we have shadow type. So if we just quickly set the scale up, this will kind of be like the how the borders are treated. At the moment you can see we've got the hard edge here. Now if we go to round, then you can see we've got a rounded edge. Then obviously next up we've got scale. So if you adjust this, then the actual border scale will be adjusted as well. Then we've got insert shadow. If you select this, then it will take the outside border and put it to the inside of the shape, like that. Then also we've got blackout. So any holes here, so let's say we want it here, but you don't want those little cutouts to also happen, and you can just say blackout shadow, and then it will remove those for you. Then just remove that again. Then obviously we've got the color of it, so you can adjust if you wanted a different color. It's not the most complimentary one there. But now let's keep it like something darker color so we can see it. We have outline only, so we'll only cut the outline of it, as you can see there. Then we've got print plus cut outline, so it will optimize it for printing and cutting. And then we've got fabric outline. We also have your layer count, so you can kind of make duplicates of this if you want to have a kind of a faded effect or something. So let's up this, maybe about 4. Then layer size variance, so this will be the scale of each kind of other variance or scale. So let's just put back to 1, and then end color, so this will make it fade from your color to the new one, as you can see there. And then yeah, if you click OK, it will apply your settings, and then yeah, you'll see you've got your layers now with the new, it saves it into its own group of layers. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on the shadow layers and contour cut. If we just head to the website here, if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. As you can see, we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover. Also, we have a search option on top here if you want to isolate your search. If you're kind of looking through and you don't find what you're looking for, you can also request a training video and then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.